I've been working 9 to 5. You've been always on my mind. Yeah, I just wanna go home.
Tell me where I get this feeling that you really wanna turn me on. Tell me where I get this feeling that you really wanna make me yours. 'Cause I see you. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back? Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, oh, for me.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
You see how I was looking before I went to the massage place, right? It's cute. Look how I'm looking now. This woman massaged the soul out of me. She massaged me so much that like I forgot how to walk. Like as I was walking down the road, my legs were wobbly because there was so much tension in my, I thought even in my shoulders because I type, on my hands, on my arms. There was so much tension in my leg, knots were my leg and my back. This one sat down with oil, went in, was going in, was going in. I forgot how to walk. I'm not even joking. Massage my, she's like, do you want to massage your head? I was like, yes. She massaged my head here. This, she hit my, like, see, I can't even explain. If you want this amazing massage, and it's even the cheapest massage I've gotten in Debrecen, and it's the best I've gotten in Debrecen. So maybe if you want, I can put that on my description below. What a way to spend Valentine's Day. Now I'm going to go and sleep because I need to really really enjoy and marinate in this massage that she's giving me. So I'm not gonna film. I'm just gonna go to bed. This is realistic. Baby. Tired and very happy.
Act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
So guys, I took snacks as you can see in the video, and immediately I brought out my chicken breast ready to make my Alfredo pasta, and immediately I got tired. I was like, nah. So I just ordered in from Walt to Box. It's like an Asian restaurant in Debrecen, and I really like it, and I cannot wait to chow down while watching Love is Blind. You know, sometimes you don't have to always stress, and this is Valentine's Day, so self-love is the most important thing. Hi guys, so I just had my bath and I'm going to bed. Normally I'll do like a full becoming the routine, but I feel like my face is really reacting this period, so I'm going to use less stuff. I'm doing a sheet max and I'm just going to moisturize my face. You may not see everything, but I have to say this was one of the best holidays I've ever taken. Like I said, I've been working since December, or since December, and I only took a break on the 1st, so I'm very excited to take this break. And tomorrow I'm going to the zoo with a friend, so yeah, this is how I have my self-love Valentine journey on Valentine's Day. Comment below if you got like roses, like, or if you didn't, what you did on Valentine's Day, because some of us are here. I did get a perfume, which is really nice and kind and sweet. What do you all do to get roses? Oh, I love this sheet mask. Like, it feels so smoothing. Oh my god. And I feel like my face lacks more moisture, especially around here. I always have like buns. So if you have a solo look for that, please let me know in the comments. Oh my god. So I'll leave this in for like 10 minutes and I will moisturize my face and I'll go to bed. I don't think there's any other thing to show. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine and have a good day. Bye guys.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? body, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to give. Lately, I've been a little foul, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on?
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again.